Hudson.
Yeah.
Anyways,
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Rush County, northeastern Decatur County, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Lake Santee, or 16 miles northwest of Batesville, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Milroy, Sandusky, Clarksburg, Lake Santee, Moscow, and New Point. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 136 and 143. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Decatur and Rush.
Yes, sir.